Hey there, and welcome back to Basic Health Journey. Did you know that your gut health affects not just digestion, but also your immune system, energy levels, and even brain function? A healthy gut can mean better moods, improved metabolism, and stronger immunity. But an unhealthy gut can lead to bloating, fatigue, skin issues, and even chronic diseases. In today's video, we're breaking down 7 science-backed ways to heal your gut naturally so you can feel your best inside and out. Let's get started. Eat more fiber-rich foods. Fiber is essential for gut health as it feeds beneficial bacteria, promotes regular digestion, and prevents constipation. A diet high in fiber can also reduce inflammation in the gut and lower the risk of digestive disorders. How to do it? Include more vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes in your diet. Foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, oats, and leafy greens are excellent sources of gut-friendly fiber. Try to get at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Incorporate more probiotic foods. Probiotics are live bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. They aid digestion, reduce bloating, and boost immunity by balancing gut flora. How to do it? Eat fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and tempeh. If you struggle to get enough from food, consider a high-quality probiotic supplement to support gut health. Reduce sugar and processed foods. High-sugar diets can lead to an imbalance in gut bacteria, promoting the growth of harmful microbes and increasing inflammation. How to do it? Cut back on sugary snacks, sodas, and processed foods. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed meals rich in natural ingredients. Swapping refined sugars for natural sweeteners like honey or dates can also help protect your gut. Stay hydrated for better digestion. Water is essential for digestion, helping food move smoothly through the digestive tract and preventing constipation. How to do it? Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Herbal teas like peppermint, ginger, and fennel tea can also soothe digestion and support gut health. Manage stress and get quality sleep. Your gut and brain are directly connected through the gut-brain axis. Chronic stress can lead to gut inflammation and digestive issues, while poor sleep disrupts gut microbiome balance. How to do it? Practice deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or regular exercise to manage stress. Get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your gut to repair and function properly. Add prebiotics to your diet. Prebiotics are a type of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut, helping them thrive and improve digestion. How to do it? Eat bananas, garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and apples to naturally boost prebiotics in your diet. Combining prebiotic-rich foods with probiotic foods enhances gut health even further. Avoid overuse of antibiotics and artificial sweeteners. Overusing antibiotics can wipe out beneficial gut bacteria, leading to an unhealthy microbiome. Artificial sweeteners can also negatively affect gut bacteria and digestion. How to do it? Only take antibiotics when absolutely necessary, and avoid artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose. Opt for natural alternatives like honey or stevia instead. And there you have it, 7 simple, science-backed habits to heal your gut naturally. A balanced gut means better digestion, higher energy levels, and a stronger immune system. Which of these tips will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Let's keep building healthy habits together. Stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips.